So how do we treat hormonal acne? So obviously working internally is key to make sure that trigger, which is the hormones, is maintained and balanced as much as possible so that we're not seeing the external effects on the skin. But to begin, when it comes to fresh face skin, I would always recommend working with our Hydrate Me Starter Pack. So working simply with calming inflammation and making sure that the skin has all it needs in way of ingredients to actually function at its best, which is going to help with healing. So the Hydrate Me Starter Pack or the Hydrate Renew Me Pack are both great options for treating hormonal acne, along with our Healer product range. So Hydrate Me Starter Pack, Renew Me are simple bundles that are there to maintain healthy barrier function. So we're working with ingredients such as hyaluronic acid in 2 types to make sure that your skin is hydrated so that it can communicate to the cells the way it's designed to, so that you do have an external protective layer on the skin, and so that the skin can naturally exfoliate itself, which means we're going to see a skin that's actually healing quite quickly. Niacinamide, so vitamin B3, has great anti-inflammatory benefits as well as energizing cell function, again to assist with healing time. Niacinamide also has an amazing benefit in way of oil control, so it is going to maintain healthy oil distribution to the skin during those times where your oil is affected. And the Soother range that is included in both of these bundles is there to calm inflammation. So it's all about making sure that the skin maintains moisture so that it can function optimally, but also a lot of calming anti-inflammatory extracts to soothe redness, calm inflammation and swelling, to make sure that cystic acne that is really common in hormonal breakouts can calm and clear quite quickly. The Hydrate Renew Me that offers the renewal booster as well gives the skin at night the option to rejuvenate and renew itself. So it's all about repairing DNA damage to the cell to make sure that moving forward your skin can function at its best. And if you do get these hormonal breakouts, because it's able to function optimally, you're healing quite quickly. So those breakouts don't hang around as long. The bakuchi oil in it, which is that plant-based vitamin A, is also going to help lift off any of that stubborn post-inflammatory hyperpigment, which is the marking that can be left when those cystic, big, blind, sore pimples begin to heal. Our Healer range is an amazing range to then implement in with the hydration range or bundles, because it's all about healing and calming and clearing that surface bacteria. So the Healer range has been specifically designed for acne and contains powerful plant and fruit extracts to work on energizing cell turnover. Glycolic acid in itself will give the skin a really good boost so it can begin to heal quite quickly. Often with a hormonal skin, we do see a skin that is quite sluggish and cells that aren't communicating and working efficiently in the skin. So the quicker that they start to move, the quicker we can start to push that C acne up and out, that underlying congestion up and out, to reveal a clearer and more smooth, healthy, clear complexion. Antibacterial ingredients such as tea tree, charcoal, as well as the glycolic are going to help clear that surface bacteria as well as calm that inflammation that is half the reason why hormonal acne hangs around as long as it does. Remembering that glycolic acid also has some amazing benefits in way of lightening and removing surface buildup of dead skin. So really making sure that the surface is smooth and allowing those old cells that may be holding on to past damage that is presenting in that post-inflammatory hyperpigment, so that marking is then removed and sloughed off, so we can start to see a more even complexion coming through. With fresh face skin products, when we start working externally, especially with increasing of cell turnover and energizing cell function, we can see the skin begin to purge. So this can be really normal. I want you to remember that when we see the skin get worse, it's a sign that the ingredients have energized the cell function. So we're actually starting to remove all of that underlying congestion. We're starting to get it all up and out so that we can start to clear your skin long term. If you start introducing new products into your routine and you start to see the skin purge and those breakouts coming through even more, I want you to know it is a good thing. It means your products are working. It means your cells are more energized, and we need to push through that 4 to 6 week mark to make sure we can bring all of that underlying C acne and congestion up and out. And as a result, the skin is actually going to heal and flush those breakouts quite quickly because of that energized cell turnover. I promise, stay with it and we'll start to see clarity long term coming through and a much healthier skin long term.